I'm addicted. Something like a headache got me twisted. But still I gotta have it. Explosive, explosive. I can still smell her perfume. It's not hard to notice that I'm open, hypnotized by the way she moves. And then she started dancing, sexual romancing, nasty but she fancy. Mona Lisa masterpiece. What's your nationality? I wonder if there's more of